Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the new iPhone mirroring on iOS 18 and MacBook. So to do this is pretty simple. So iOS beta 2 has just came out just today or yesterday, June 24th or June 25th for others. So here basically all you have to do is update your own MacBook and your iPhones so that you'll get this feature. So remember, there's a separate video for how to update your phone on iOS 18 beta 2. So check that out. So here it's pretty simple. So we have the new iPhone mirroring. So basically what does it do? So it mirrors your iPhone without you having to touch your iPhone ever again. So here I will demo it with you guys. So basically you will have iPhone mirroring application. Just search it up here, iPhone mirroring, and then open it up. And then here you will have to open your password in your MacBook. So I'll just fingerprint it right here. So it's gonna connect to my phone, as you can see, and there you go. So as you can see right now, I'm controlling my phone. This is all remotely. So the phone is not on. It requires not to be on. So basically here, as you can see, that I can control my phone. It has the normal functionalities, but it's still in beta. So here I can go to Safari, check my mail. I can go edit my photos, videos, whatsoever. I can even go to Binance. I can trade here. I can go to my settings, as you can see. So this is still a working it's still working options. Not all applications work, such as, let's go with Minecraft right here. So I tried to explore this, as you can see that we have Minecraft. So basically you can do anything in your phone on your MacBook, so you don't have to reach it. I don't know what purpose will this serve you guys. It depends on what type of industry you're in. So you can see that my Minecraft doesn't really work as much, so I can't really press any buttons, but there you go, you have an idea of what I can do. So basically I have to close the app right there in the window, as you can see. So it's still buggy, it's still working development right here. So basically it still does the same things your iPhone does, but even better. So I can head out to Spotify, I can play music here in my MacBook. Basically, actually, it plays the music right here. Every sound output it does it here in the MacBook as well. So it's just that simple. So that's how you do iPhone mirroring. You just have to connect both your iClouds in the computer and in your phone, and it will sync manually by having your Bluetooth on too, so that it will work. So as you can see, it's a cool feature for you guys. So that's all. So that is how the iPhone mirroring works here in iOS 18 beta 2 and your MacBook OS right here. The new update. So let's see. So here, as you can see, the new MacBook. So I'm using my MacBook. So there you go. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.